This is a quick and simple tutorial on your current phones. Notice the buttons that correspond with the screen elements. Those buttons will change depending on what you're doing on the phone. You have a mute button, you have a speakerphone button, you've got a volume up, volume down. That will turn your ringer volume up, ringer volume down. When you're actually on a call, it turns your headset volume up and headset volume down. If you want to look at call history to see who called prior, you can simply hit the history button. You can scroll around the history, and if you'd like to recall a person who's called, maybe a missed call or whatnot, you can hit send, and that will create the call. Also, you'll notice a blinking light up here. It will be blinking if you have any missed calls. To stop it from blinking, there'll be an exit button here. You'll press exit, then you'll press history, and then once you're in history, you'll hit back, and that will clear your blinking light to show that you have missed calls. In order to put a call on hold, when you're on the call, you can simply press the hold button on the screen here. By pressing the hold button, it'll put it on a local hold. To get the call back, simply press the resume button. It'll bring the caller back to your existing phone. If you'd like to transfer it to somewhere else in the building, simply press this park button. It will place them in the first available park. If you park another call, it'll place them in the second available park. In order to pick them up from another phone in the building, simply go to that other phone, press this red button, pick up your handset, and you'll have them engaged in your handset on another phone in the building. The final thing to be aware of on this phone system is when a call comes in from overflow. So if it's hit the 800 number and it's actually coming back to your restaurant, all 5 of your phones will ring if they're available, and you will see a very distinct caller ID message that will say overflow. These calls need to be picked up and handled accordingly.